Okay, so I bought this used case lawnmower. There's some of the pieces, tires, and everything that could be loosened or taken apart was, and I was given a pile of bolts. So far, I've managed to figure out where most of them go. All the electrical was cut, and the carburetor was dirt, the spark plug was missing, and all of the choke controls were disconnected, and all the belts are loose. It's been an interesting challenge. So today, I'm going to see if I can get it to turn over. Oh, and the engine mounts were gone. So, for example, we took out the mechanism that lifts the deck up. It's gone. There's some of the cut wires. The bolts for the engine mount are gone. No battery. Okay.